Okay, so this is the Oster 1200 watts of power with dual direction blades. Includes a 24-ounce blend and go cup. So you got a blend and go cup, 1200 watts, 3 pre-programmed molds, and 6-cup glass jar. So you got a 6-cup glass jar, you got the machine, you got the gold cup inside this box. Very powerful. So let's get it open, see what it comes and how it looks. Here's the key. You have your instructions. Important safeguards. Take a look at it once you get the product. Inside one box, you have your cup, your 6-cup jar. Very nice, very thick, and look at those blades down there. Very nice. It's a very well built material. Tell you a little more. You have your little cover with your little top. Okay, so this is the little top it has. This one goes on the top. There you go. Very nice. 24-ounce to go glass. It is plastic. Very nice. It does have a to sip. Very well built. Nice. So you make your smoothie and you'll put it in here. Very nice. Your blender. You can see here it says green frozen smoothie. Very hard to tell because the light. Food, chop, salad, milkshakes, low, medium, high, pause, on and off, and stop. You have your power cord. Inside of it goes like that. So you have your locks in just like that. Very nice. It does not move. Once it locks in, it stays there. You don't have to twist it or anything. Very nice. Love that it's shiny. It's very nice build. So let's make it spin to hear how it sounds. Okay. So I plugged it on. Turn it on. Nice little blue light. Look at that. Very nice. Not too loud. Not loud at all. Look at that. Look at that blade. Blade is very nice. It will chop anything up. So the machine itself is very nice. It's not loud. There's some that are very loud. That's loud. That one's a little louder. That's for frozen, so it has to be a lot stronger. And you can hear the power. But if you put it on low, it sounds very nice. Very nice, well-built machine. Very nice, well-built machine. Love how it looks. The glass itself is very thick, so it looked like it would not break that easily. So once you have it all together, the machine looks very nice. Very nice for your countertop. It does not look ugly at all. Love that it has all the settings you need. and they're all named for a different kind of thing. So if you're gonna make milkshake, you'll click this one. That'll be milkshake. If you're gonna food chop, food chop. So it sounds like the blade is going back and forward. Chop up your food. Now this is the smoothie one, and then you have a different speed, like a pulse. Hold it. You do it the way you want to do it. However you would like to do it, is that one. So the machine itself is very nice, sounds very powerful. Otherwise, everything else is nice. Excellent machine. Recommend it. It's not that big. Looks very nice. Can't go wrong. Now this is gonna go in the kitchen, and I get to use it. Love it.